damage. Sort of. Can't wait to choke this run, just like every other run. Some stupid shit. I don't know what I took damage from. That's crazy. Dude, go. Oh my god, Brent's gonna die just like all the others. Why do I have to take damage? Oh my god, did I finally actually do it? Did I finally not just completely choke everything? That took way too long to get. That took way too long to get, dude. I couldn't even get under 140 until I get this. That's ridiculous. That was a huge mental block. That's ridiculous. At least it's broken, hopefully. Oh my god, man. That's 54-minute recording session to get that. That's ridiculous.